Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to buy from Envato Market. All right, so first up, you need to go ahead and open up your browser and then open up a new tab. Let's say you are under Envato. You can browse right here. Okay, but if you want to buy something, you'd need to go ahead and visit the Envato Market. All right, so you go ahead and open up a new tab and then go ahead over to themeforest.net and then just hit on enter. All right, there'll be some verification right here. Just follow simple prompts. And then once that's done, all you got to do is just sign in with your Envato account. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm automatically logged in. So what you do in here is just browse through the categories. For example, you wanted to buy a video or a 3D file, or under web themes and templates, you could go ahead and select WordPress right here. For example, a category for real estate. You could just go ahead and click on it, scroll down, and here we have the previews. All right, if you want to check the live previews, well, just go ahead and click on live right here. Click on it and a new tab will open. So you can just go ahead and check it out before you buy it. All right, so there'll be no surprises. So just basically wait for the preview to load. So here we have it. Now, if you like this one, just go ahead over to the top right, click on buy now. Scroll down, select your country or location, for example, Brazil. Sign up for email newsletters or terms and conditions right here. Make sure that terms and conditions is ticked. All good. Let's go. And here we have it. You're going to extend the support for 12 months right here. But if not, you can just go ahead and click on add to cart. There you go. License type regular for 6 months, 12 months, or extended for 6 months support, 12 month support right here. So just the basic one. Go ahead and click on checkout or keep browsing if you want to add more to your cart. So checkout right here. Now all you got to do is just enter your first name and last name. Company is optional. Country is needed. Address line as well. The city. And once that's done, go ahead and click on save and continue. And after that, a payment method is needed. So Envato right here accepts payment methods such as Visa, MasterCard, American Express for US dollars, of course, Apple Pay and PayPal. All right, you got to use PayPal as well under Envato Elements. So that's basically it. Continue with the payment process, and once that's done, you should be good to go. So once the payment is confirmed, you can go ahead over to your profile under Envato Markets. Just hover over your profile, click on downloads, and you'll be able to see it right here. Now you can go ahead and click on download next to the item that you purchased. So you can go ahead and save the files and license certificate to your computer. That is how you buy from Envato Market. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.